moments later.
About ICT classroom. So, nag-survey kami ng 12 na teachers para malaman natin how to use technology in their lesson plan. Kaya tara na, let's go!
So, for this project, kailangan naming malaman how teachers are really using technology sa kanilang mga pagtuturo. And we thought the best way to do that was to ask the teachers directly. Kaya, nagkanda kami ng survey sa mga teachers sa AS o Angono Elementary School.
And a huge shout out to all 12 teachers na naki-operate sa aming survey, and we really appreciate your time and effort.
Maraming salamat po sa mga teachers na tumulong sa amin. Hindi po namin magagawa ito nung wala kayo. Para mas maintindihan nyo, let's show you some question we asked.
Alright guys, ito na ang result sa ating survey. Are you ready?
Guys, dito nakasulat sa papel ang mga resulta ng survey. Nakasulat dito ang question and answer at babasahin namin sa inyo para malaman natin ang resulta ng ating sinurvey kahapon. Number 1 question, do you use technology in your teaching?
And an answer is 12 out of 12 teachers said yes. Grabe, lahat sila gumamit ng technology.
Number 2, are you aware of policies that guide you in the use of ICT?
And an answer is 10 teachers said yes and 2 said no. So medyo hati ang yung sagot dito.
Mukhang madali ang para sa kanila ang question na yon. So, diretso na tayo sa question number 3. Do you use non-digital learning resources in your teaching?
And ang sagot is 10 teachers said yes. So kahit may technology is, ginagamit pa rin nila yung mga books and other materials.
For question number 4, do you develop digital resources for your learners?
And ang sagot dito is 9 teachers said yes. Ibig sabihin, gumagawa sila ng sarili nilang online materials.
Okay, question number 5. Do you use technology tools for classroom activities?
And ang sagot naman dito is, all 12 teachers said yes. Talagang integrated na ang technology sa pagtuturo nila.
Okay guys, so punta naman tayo sa question number 6.
And ako naman. Question number 6 is, Are you an expert in the use of technology tools for teaching?
Only one teacher said yes. So, marami pa talagang kailangan mag-training.
And next question is question number 7. Do you have facilities to use the technology tools in your classes?
And the answer is, 10 teachers said yes, but 2 said no. Kaya, kailangan pa rin i-improve ang facilities sa mga school.
And question number 8. Are you aware to ethical and legal responsibilities in the use of ICT tools?
Yes, 10 said yes, which good, pero kailangan pa rin natin i-remind ang mga teachers tungkol dito.
And question number 9. Are your student learners better with the use of technology tools?
All answer is yes. So, 12 teacher is not yes. So, effective talaga ang paggamit ng technology sa pag-aaral.
And last, question number 10. Do you enjoy using ICT tools in your teaching?
And ang answer dito is all 12 teachers said yes. So, masaya talaga silang gumagamit ng technology.
And that's all.
So based on the result, what can we conclude? Well, halos lahat naman ng teacher ay gumagamit ng technology. Pero kailangan pa din natin ng training and better facilities.
And also important to remember the ethical and legal responsibilities when using ICT. Pero, ang pinaka-importante ay technology. Bakit? It can really help students learn and make teaching more enjoyable.
As a future teacher, what does this mean for us? We need to be prepared to use technology effectively in the classroom.
And we need to learn about ICT policies and become confident in using different tools and also the platforms. And we should always remember that technology is just a tool. It's our teaching skills that really matter.
Kaya dapat paghandaan na natin ang ating mga sarili para maging tech-savvy teachers.
I'm excited to use technology in my future classrooms.
Ako rin. Pero, kailangan ko pang mag-aral ng mabuti para marami akong malaman at maituro sa mga estudyante ko in the future.
Tama! Let's all work together to become the best teachers we can be.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng teachers. Thank you for your time and insights.
So, what do you think, guys, about the survey result?
Do you have any tips of using technology in the classroom? Share your insight to the comment section.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!